We're here to present an article titled Tibial Osteotomies for Cranial Cruciate Ligament Repair in Dogs. It was published in 2008 in the Journal of Veterinary Surgery by the University of Florida and by Tufts University School of Veterinary Medicine. They looked at the various cranial cruciate ligament repair surgeries and reviewed them.
1.
Brief background, cranial cruciate ligament insufficiency is one of the most common causes of lameness in dogs. Treatment of dogs less than 15 kilograms is typically done with conservative management, but often surgical intervention is recommended. Intra- and extra-articular procedures have been described to have good short-term prognosis, but long-term they fail to maintain stability and result in osteoarthritis and meniscal damage. Tibial bone-altering procedures were first described in 1984. The purpose of this article was to actually review the biomechanics, experimental, and clinical data of tibial osteotomies for treatment of CCL in dogs.
1.
The methods were briefed and described as literature search through PubMed, VIN, Commonwealth Agricultural Bureau abstracts, and conference proceedings from November 1977 through March 2007.
So I'm going to talk about the results briefly. The cranial drawer tests forces of the cranial cruciate ligament, while the tibial thrust evaluates dynamic forces. Stability of the stance phase versus the swing phase is dependent on the cranial cruciate ligament, and its most important function is the prevention of cranial tibial thrust. 5 surgical techniques, except for the TTA, were designed to change the angle of the tibia, while the TTA advances the insertion of the patellar tendon to reduce tibial femoral shear forces.
1.
We agree with the paper's conclusion that more research needs to be done. The paper is lacking in the description of methods and should include more advantages and disadvantages.
3.
Systematic review.